Hi, we're at our exterior siding refresh job with James Hardie. So we have come in and we've started installing some James Hardie. We're going around the house and started ripping it all off. This was the product that was on here before that didn't really perform as well as it should have in the heat. So they've asked us to come in and help them with this project and try and get it replaced and move them into a stronger building envelope and a stronger siding that's going to protect their house for many years to come. We have had some fun here with the owners. It's been great. We have some great views. We got this huge field of daisies out the back, which is pretty awesome, and it's nice to be out in the country where you're kind of just hearing the birds and the animals, and yeah, so it's been good. We're out here at a project in Cedar. Thank you guys for following along with all of our projects that we've done past and present. When we came to this project, they had got a particular type of siding that was put on the house that ended up failing. So we came and we peeled that siding off, inspected and looked at the envelope, the paper and everything, and that looked like it was in pretty good shape. And then we came back and we re-sided it with James Hardie. And yeah, so before they had lap siding on the main body, and then in the gables it was board and batten, and we ended up going with a Hardie straight lay shake. I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. Great people to work with, and I'm so thankful for that. So thank you very much for taking a peek at this video, and I hope you have a great day. Okay, bye for now. At Robertson Contracting, we do contracting with communication. So if you'd like your house built with communication, call us today.